Hello everyone. Today I will be sharing with you an online tool that students can use to learn more about physical education. The site I chose for this assignment is called pbslearningmedia.org. So once you're here, you want to scroll down here to the Health and Physical Education tab, and over here where it says Physical Education, you want to click that. And now you're in the Physical Education section. What I like about the site is that you can search up a variety of videos and interactive activities students can use to learn more about their own physical health. This interactive tool teaches students how they can improve their physical health through movement, exercise, and even athletics. What's also great about this site is that there are videos and activities for all age groups. If you use the filter, you can look up a grade range you're looking for. So for example, if you're looking for the 7th grade, you can scroll down here where it says 6 through 8. Or middle school, and you can see the variety of videos here for students in 7th grade. Another good thing about this site, if you look over here to the left, there is all physical education's tab, but if you go down here, you can even click motor and movement competency, where it gives you more videos on that subject matter and little subheadings on motor competency or movement competency. And if you go down here once more, you see physical activity and the different subheadings here, where it shows a wide variety of videos depending on the title you chose. One last thing I really like about this site is the interactive learning lessons. So if I were to click here on grade and go down to, let's go to K-2 for example, and where it says type over here, go down to the interactive learning lessons, it gives me a link that students can click to do the lesson. If I hit launch here and continue as guest, you can see it opens up this whole new section where students can engage in this activity with while learning more about, for example, this topic is forces, sports, and fitness. So I really believe that the students will really enjoy this feature here, as you can, if I click forward here and show you how it goes. So that's one thing I really like a lot about this site as well. So yes, that is the site I chose for this assignment, and thank you.